perfect ground. You come right in when I break down. You don't require strength to stay. You meet me right where I decay. You held me together
when I was falling apart inside.
When no one knew my pain. When I was breaking quietly inside. You kept me safe. You held me together when I was falling
apart inside.
When I couldn't explain. When everything felt like it was slipping away. You held me through the strain. DJ Jerryman, listen, you don't have to hide it all. Oh, if you've been praying quietly inside, keeping your pain where it can't hide. If you feel like no one sees the silent struggle behind your peace, hear this now, you're not alone. Even in places you've never shown, there is a presence closer than breath, holding you steady in every step. Even when no one understands, you are still held by unseen hands.
You held me together
when I was falling apart in silence. When no one knew my pain. When I was breaking quietly inside, you kept me safe. You held me together when I was
falling apart inside.
When I couldn't explain. When everything felt like it was slipping away. You held me through the strain. There was a moment, so small, so real, I let myself finally feel. Not to collapse, but to release, to find within a hidden peace. And in that space where truth was faced, I felt a strength I hadn't chased. Not from within, but given to me, a quiet grace that set me free. You held me
together
when I was falling apart in silence. Oh, when no one knew my pain. When I was breaking quietly inside, you kept me safe. You held me together when I was
falling apart inside.
While pressure built and pain enclosed, I didn't know how, I didn't know how, I didn't know how,
I didn't know, I didn't know,
I didn't know,
I didn't know,
I didn't know, I didn't know,
I didn't know,
I didn't know,
I didn't know,
I didn't know, I didn't know. DJ Jerryman,
still here,
still breathing,
still standing.
If you are here still reading through, that means there's strength still inside you. That means your story hasn't ended. That means your heart can still be mended. You are not broken beyond repair. You are still seen, you are still cared. And even now in all you feel, there is a love that's deeply real. You held me together when I was falling apart in silence. When no one knew my pain. When I was breaking quietly inside, you kept me safe.
When I was falling apart
when I couldn't explain. When everything felt like it was slipping falling apart in silence.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. We are still in a worship moment. Please kindly do it by give me a like, comment, let me know where you are watching from. That means a whole lot to me on this platform. It means of you supporting the platform as well. God bless you. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Welcome on board.
DJ Jerryman, softly stay here. I said this time would be the last. No going back, no looking past. I made the promise, I stood so strong, but somehow still I went back wrong. Same old habits,
Same old fights,
same broken patterns.
late at night.
I tried to change, I truly did, but fell again where I once lived.
And every time
it happened again, I felt more distant, I felt more shame.
how many chances can I receive?
At what point will you stop with me? I got so tired of failing twice, of asking mercy after advice. I thought for sure
You step away
you'd step away
and say enough.
You've had your day. But in the middle of my repeats,
You stay right there.
and didn't retreat. Oh, you didn't get
Tired of me when I kept repeating the same struggles.
when I fell again and again, when I couldn't break free on my own.
You still pull me in.
Oh, you didn't get
Tired of me when I kept repeating the same struggles.
when I thought I ran out of grace, when I felt too ashamed to come back.
You still held my place.
I thought your love would fade with time, based on my flaws, based on my climb. I thought consistency was the key to earn the right to be set free. But you don't love the way I think. You don't step back when I sink. You meet me right in every fall and lift me up through it all. You didn't get
Tired of me when I kept repeating the same struggles.
when I fell again and again, when I couldn't break free on my own. You still pulled me in. Oh, you didn't get tired of
Tired of me
when
I kept repeating the same struggles.
when I thought I ran out of grace, when I felt too ashamed to come back.
You still held my place.
DJ Jerryman, listen, grace doesn't expire. If you've been stuck in cycles you hate, trying to change but still feeling late, if you feel like you've used up grace, like there's no room left for your case, hear this clearly, don't believe the lie. Grace doesn't end, it doesn't try. You are not loved based on your streak. You are not valued because of your peak. You are held even in fall, even when you don't stand tall. You didn't get tired of me when
I kept repeating the same struggles.
when I fell again and again, when I couldn't break free on my own. You still pulled me in. Oh, you didn't get tired of me when I
kept repeating the same struggles.
when I thought I ran out of grace, when I felt too ashamed to come back.
You still held my place.
There was a moment I saw it clear, not through guilt, not through fear, but through a love that stayed the same, even when I fell in shame. And in that truth, something broke, not my spirit, but the yoke of thinking I was too far gone to ever rise or carry on. You didn't get tired of me, still learning, still growing, still covered. If you are still trying today, even if you fall on the way, that means your heart still wants to change. That means your story can rearrange. You are not stuck, you are not through. There is still strength growing in you. And even now, through every fall, there is still grace for it all. You didn't get tired of me when I kept repeating the same story. When I fell again and again, when I couldn't break free on my own, you still pulled me in. Oh, you didn't get tired of me when I kept repeating the same struggle. When I thought I ran out of grace, when I felt too ashamed to come back, you still held my place. You stayed with me, you forgave me, you lifted me. Even when I kept repeating the same struggles.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. We are still in a worship moment. Remain connected, the best is yet to come. And don't forget, all these songs have already been made available in all streaming platforms that you can access them there. DJ Jerryman is the artist, and I have a whole lot of them there. Either worship or praises, they are already available. God bless you. Remain connected. Kindly give me a like or comment. Let me know where you are watching from. God bless you for being there.
The ones impressed, they had the strength, they had the light, they seemed so ready for every fight. And then there was me, full of doubt, trying to stand but fading out. I questioned why I was even here, what made me different or even near. I felt unworthy of the call, like I was not enough at all. I thought if choices had to be made, I would be left, I would be replaced. Not first in line, not picked at all, just standing quiet against the wall. But in that place where I felt unseen, there was a voice that stepped between. You still chose me when I felt like I was not worth choosing. When I counted myself out, when I believed I had nothing to offer, you removed my doubt. You still chose me when I felt like I was not worth choosing. When I felt too small to stand. When I thought I would be overlooked, you still took my hand. I thought selection was based on skill, on how I looked, on how I feel. I thought I needed to prove my place, to earn the right to receive your grace. But you do not choose like people do. You do not filter the way we view. You see beyond the outer frame and call me gently by